Hello, this is the free product lady. Happy Thanksgiving. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Now I'm about to begin. Hello, this is the free product lady. I want to tell you what I'm experiencing in these stores. Like I said, I have to take my grandchild with me when I go in these stores. And what we had to do, we both had to put on the mask. We had to go in these stores. And then first thing, if I'm looking for any product, a lot of products, your basic products are off the shelf. And I'm thinking, okay, what are we supposed to do now? The stores don't know when they're going to get in. They said call us or whatever. Then I have to chase my grandchild. He don't want to wear the mask. He want to go over there and get a toy, blah, blah, blah. Then if the store don't have it, we have to get in the car, get him in. He don't want to go in the store, another store, and wear the mask. We had to go through there. He don't want to go in the store because he couldn't get the toy. Go through all those changes. We do not have to do that. I was like, it got to be a better way than this. Because you go to store, like I said, things are off the shelf. You have to wear the mask. It's going to get to the point that it's going to be a limited amount of people could go in these stores. And what to do? I need these basic items. What I need to do. So I know that one of the basic items, well, I got two of the basic items that I love are the Febreze for the bathroom, well, basically for your house. And I love these. They got great scent. I'm going to spray it. Of course, you can't smell it. Febreze Game. My family loves the Gain scent. Sometimes I use Gain detergent, but mainly I use it for the household spray. I've loved this. And so without have to run around trying to find it, what to do, you don't have to do that. That's what I want to talk about. I know you could relate to it because I know none of us really, well, I put it this way. The grocery stores, mostly shopping, especially if I had to shop with my grandchild, are like, oh my goodness. And now with everything going on, nothing on the shelf, what can we do? I was like, it got to be a better way. So I know I checked and see this product and see. Let's see if they got this product online. So I checked. And I'm an Amazon Prime member. And I checked. And they have this. So you're a Prime member, you get free shipping. Wow. Now, one thing about it, it might be higher than the stores, how you say. Well, I might not want to do that. Now, I know we all watching our budgets and everything, with everything going on with the basic, and then the prices of everything going up. But everything going up, you need these items, then again, you don't want to go out. I don't want to go out. And I don't want to risk myself, my grandchild. Every time we going out, we risking our lives going out trying to find these products. Don't know when they going to come in. Then it's the holiday time. So now they got everything for the holidays. Then the household products. What can we do? So I came up with a better way. What I came up with, a strategy to get those products for free. How I do that? I take a 15 to 30 minutes of my time. Whatever spare time you have. My spare time might be different from your spare time, but the thing is, if we all in the house, and like I said, your money is limited, but what's going on, and it's limited because of what's going on. You can't really go anywhere, and if you go somewhere in these stores, they don't have a lot of basic products on the shelf. So these 2 items I got for free. I did the surveys and I got them for free. Free shipping, free products. And I took 15 to 30 minutes of my time. All links are below of the surveys that I do. And one of them is Payview Point. Great survey. Like I said, they real short surveys, quick. You build it up to the cash out minimum is $15. You got a choice. I always choose the Amazon gift card. Amazon. I choose that one. So, because I'm an Amazon Prime member, I get the $15. Let's say I get the $15. Of course, I didn't spend $15 on this, but I got these items for free. I had money left over from the gift card. I could get other things, but I got these for free and free shipping. What a great way. At these times, we need to hold on to our money. Why not do it my way, this way, and get products like these for free? Then it's another one I use, Inbox Dollar. Great. They have surveys. You can play games. They have different tasks. Free to join. And the cash out is $30. But look at that. Gift card. And I always choose the Amazon gift card. Amazon. What a great way. You could get items like these for free. Free shipping, free delivery. Don't have to worry about the mask, the crowds. My grandchild saying, I want this toy. I don't want to wear this mask. Oh, no. You don't have to worry about that. And not just that, you safely in your home. Safe in your home. Don't have to worry about going out. Then getting these items for free by doing surveys. You already in the house. Why not? Once you start doing, you will love it. The next one is Prize Rebel, free to join. The cash out, depending on how you cash out. But I always choose the Amazon gift card. The gift card would vary depending on, it's different levels, different amount, $5, $10, $15. It depends. But you get the Amazon gift card and you can get items like this for free. Why not do that? I think it's a great method, not just to get products like that. You could do gifts like that as well. Take out your time, and that way you're not taking out of your wallet. Hey, I'm about saving money. Why not? Like I said, we don't know what time's going to be like in the future, but we could be smart about this. I'm being smart. I want you to be smart about it and take care of our future and do this. I know you could do this. I do it. You could do it. I know you can. So please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And boy, you will love this method. And I want to thank you. And I want you to look at my other videos I have on my channel and check them out. And look at all the wonderful free things I have. I got some more videos coming up on some great things. And I can't wait for you to see. And thank you.